in the park. Ang saya lang dito. Ang sarap ng feeling. Look at the trees, guys. This, guys, is oak tree, which is 40 years old tree. Look at that. And look at those gazebo over there. It's just a nice place, very serene. You can stay here, you can sit down here and enjoying the weather. Very nice. Oh, see, guys, you can hear the birds singing. Oh, see, very nice place. That's the gazebo over there. Look at the tree, guys. This is 40 years old oak tree. Isn't that nice? Mm-hmm. See? Very nice. Very nice place. Yes. Ang ganda ng mga trees. Dyan, ang ganda dyan, camping kayo dyan, mag-picnic kayo dyan sa ilalim ng tree. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda lang ng panahon din. Very nice weather today. Kahit maaga pa, hindi malamig, hindi mainit. It's just a very perfect day today. Yeah. Tingnan mo yung mga trees dyan pa. Itong ginagawa, itong Christmas tree, di ba? Parang Christmas tree itong tree na ito. Di ba? Ang ganda lang. Ang ganda lang ng paligid. Ang ganda. Ang mga birds ay nag-enjoy. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thank you. Have a good day.